Audio and video technology really has established itself as critical infrastructure, not just in how we work and how we learn, but ultimately in how we live our lives. Traditionally, AV enabled us to experience entertainment or deliver a great presentation. But what's really shone lately is its ability to transport people from wherever they are in the world to right here in the room. Through this lens, a poor experience or a failure in the technology doesn't just disrupt the meeting, but it can prevent it from happening altogether. At VideoPro, we take the technology as seriously as the impact that it can have. Our service level agreements, preventative maintenance, and on-site resources can protect your investment and the function it performs, making sure the room is always available and the technology is always working.
Integration of audiovisual products to create intuitive, easy-to-use solutions is the tip of the iceberg of what we do at VideoPro. A project may take us a few months to deliver from inception to signing off that project with a happy customer. It's what happens for the next 1, 3 or 5 years after that that's really important. Service desk support, incident and service request analysis, preventative maintenance, all forms of training, refresher training and adoption metrics add to the successful ongoing partnership with our customers. Our customer care team don't just roll trucks. We specialise in enhancing room availability by enabling our systems to be managed remotely. Monitoring, remote and predictive resolution are super important, just as is scalable deployment. This is where we work with our platform partners such as Innomate, Crestron and Harman to put us in the space, from our customer care knock in our head office to restore services quickly. We do have productised service level agreements that our customers can choose to attach either to their full fleet or pick and choose which of these service products aligns to the importance of their individual spaces. A boardroom or a lecture theatre may require a quicker response and restore time than a huddle space or a breakout area, for instance.
We can tailor our services and support packages based on your specific needs. We have the capacity and experience to offer the right solution for you. VideoPro can offer a fully managed OPEX arrangement where solutions and services are financed monthly. We take the delivery of our support services seriously and track key metrics relating to our support obligations. Our Net Promoter Score reflects a high level of customer satisfaction delivered by our team. We provide these analytics as part of our SLA agreements.
Get the most out of your technology for years to come. Experience VideoPro with a service level agreement